Okay.
Here we have Mr. Wiggle, Mr. Blue. Oh, I know. It's just so fun. It's just so great. Yes, it's great. Okay, let's calm down. Okay, stop. Okay. Whoop, boop, 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 boop. Yeah, you better be still because look at what's happening. Okay, nice.
Ooh.
Nice front. Stop. Nope. Okay. Blue boy, you are a devil dog. Okay. If I could get him to stand, I think he would do pretty well. Good boy.
Posting in front.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, there's his shoulder. There's his... Oh, stop. Good boy. Stand. No. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh, what do you see over there? There's his rib. There's his hip bone. Tail set. He looks like he's got good rear angle, which I'm thrilled over. Front is... Stop. I know. Okay. There. Stop. Good boy. Okay, quickly. There. There's the rib. So he's got, I think he's a little more balanced. I think he's got a little more front angle than
green.
There's
and he's very cute.
Got some good ears on him. Good ears.